Students, welcome back to our channel with another very important video for you people. This video is for the students those were asking me to please tell us about the important topics for life skills A1 phase 2B discussion part. I'm talking about the last part of the test, which is also called phase 2B as well as discussion part of the test. Okay, so without wasting any time, the first topic that is I think important and most repeated one of most repeated topics is a place. Talk about to each other about a place that you like to visit. A place, a place that you like to visit. Talk about that place to each other. On number two, the topic is weathers in your country. Talk about weathers, different weathers in your country to each other. Okay. Number three, exercise. Talk about exercise and sports to each other. Exercise and sports, those you play and take or do. Talk to each other about these things. Okay. Then there is a topic. There are two different types of topics regarding this topic. The number one, they can give you the topic. Talk to each other about the work you do. Okay. And then they can also give you a topic. Talk to each other about the works people do in your country, or people do in your hometown, or people do people those are living near you, they do. Okay. Then there is a topic. Talk to each other about learning new things. What new things do you learn? Talk to each other the things you like to learn. Okay. Then they can give you a topic. Talk about a shopping mall that you go to, or from where you buy things. Talk about a shopping mall to each other. Okay. Then the topic is what do you do? What do you do when you are at a break? When you are at a break, talk to each other. Okay. What do you do when you are at a break from college or from work? All right. Then they can give you a topic. Talk to each other about the things you like to eat and drink. Talk to each other about the things those you like to eat and drink. Then there is a topic. I have a list of topics with me. Those are most repeated topics. What do you like to do? Talk to each other about the things you like to do, or tasks you like to do every day or every weekend. The things you like to do. What do you like to do on weekend? Talk to each other. Okay, this is the topic. Then they can ask you a topic that is talk to each other about good and bad things about traveling by train, or traveling by aeroplane, or traveling by car. Okay. They can choose any one source of traveling. Then they can ask you to talk to each other about favorite places. Talk to each other about your favorite places in your city. In your city. Now you do not have to talk about places those are outside of your city. So you have to talk about the places, the favorite places those are in your own, your hometown, in your hometown. Okay. Yeah, another very very important topic. Talk to each other about your favorite meal of the day. and what do you like to eat at that time. Okay. Yes, then talk to each other about what do you like to do at home. What do you like to do at home? Then there is a topic, what do you like? Talk to each other about what do you like to do outside home. And then there is a topic, talk to each other about your likes and dislikes. This is also another important topic nowadays, especially your likes and dislikes. Then a sport that you do not like watching and playing. Talk to each other. Okay. Then there is a topic, yeah. Wait a minute. Yeah. Talk to each other about your English classroom. Talk to each other about your English classroom. Then they can choose a topic for you. Talk to each other about your favorite TV program. Now they are asking you about one program, okay, that is your favorite. You have to talk to each other. That can be any drama, movie, or whatever, talk show. Then they can ask you to ask questions to each other. Talk to each other about living at house or flat. Okay, this should be a comparison. In this topic you should give a comparison in between house and flat, and then you can talk about your accommodation, like if you live in a flat you can talk about that. If you live at a house, then you can talk about that house. Then there is a topic, talk to each other about the most special day in your life. Then they can give you a topic, talk to each other about a country you want to visit in your future. Okay. Then there is a topic, talk to each other about your future plans. Talk to each other about your future plans. Then a topic that is also been given, that has also been given in phase 1B, and which is talk to each other about the gifts you give and receive on special occasions. Okay. Then there is a topic, technology that you use. Talk to each other about your childhood. Then the last topic that I currently have with me in my list is talk to each other about people you see every day. Okay. I will inshallah tomorrow come back with another video in which there will be some updated topics for Life Skills A1 phase 1B, and if there are any updates in phase 2B, I will also come with that video sooner, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, then see you soon, inshallah ta'ala. Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद कह दिया मैंने भाई।